You are not going to believe what I found at my local craft store. While I was going to my craft store for some yarn for a project, I found this in the aisle. I could not believe it, and I don't think that you will either. Now, this is the second time I'm filming this because the first time I completely chopped my head off with my video camera. So whilst browsing for yarn for a new project that I want to make a tutorial on, I just walked around the end of the aisle and these were hanging up, and I was just like, you can buy that? I saw granny squares for sale. Now, this did come in a packet, but I've already opened it on the video where I chopped my head off. So this brand is Maria George. And this is a no, that's the wrong piece of paper. Gosh, get with the program. This is Maria George, and this is a 83 by 83 millimeter granny square. It is the orange green, and there was one piece in the packet. Now, this is soft, but it also has that plasticky feel of acrylic. I thought this may have been cotton when I looked at the packaging. It wasn't a piece of plastic and hanging on the shelf like that, so I couldn't touch the granny square, and I thought that it may have been cotton. Would you have thought this was cotton? I don't know, it just looked cottony in the packet. I've noticed that they've done their granny square with 2 double crochets in the first and second round of clusters, and then in the third, fourth and fifth they've just used 3 stitches. So they have done the granny square different, and I do actually like the effect that it gives. Would you pay $5 for a crochet granny square? It is not very big. If you wanted to make a baby blanket, and let's say you wanted 20 granny squares, that's going to add up pretty quick. And then if you buy the granny squares, do you know how to join them? Do you know how to put a border on them? Would you buy this granny square to save you time making them and then join and put the border on if you know how to crochet? I just think it's a total waste of money, and I think that we need to be making granny squares for people for $5 if they're going to buy them. Now, of course, I bought this to make a video because I had to share it with you and say, hey, this is what I found at my local craft store. So our next one is it says Natural Multi Trim, and it is 60 millimeters by 1 meter. And this one is definitely made from cotton. You can feel that it's made from cotton. It's not acrylic. And when you unfold it, let's make sure I'm showing you the correct side. When you unfold it, it is quite long. It's 1 meter long. Now that's a lot of crochet. This was $12 for all of this crochet. Personally, I would buy this for $12 because that's a lot of work. That's a lot of ends to sew in, and it's made with cotton. So cotton generally isn't as cheap as acrylic. So I think I would buy this. You could use this to make a belt on a dress. You could use it to make a headband. You may have to cut the trim. So you could probably get 2 headbands out of this. Not quite for myself because there's probably 2 squares missing at the back, but you could use this and then extend on it. You could use this as a bag trim. What would you use 1 meter of granny squares for? I don't know. I just think these are really pretty, and I personally would buy this. So let me know in the comments, would you buy a granny square trim even though you can make them yourself? Would you buy a granny square for $5? I just think that $5 versus $12, this one's better value, and I would get this one. But I think $5 for a granny square, I think that's a rip-off. Let me know your answer. I would love to know your opinion on this. Have you ever seen crochet that you can buy in the shops? Thank you so much for watching my video, and until next time, happy crochet. Bye.